goes back with nachos. I have not had him out that much. I honestly recommend anytime you get to a new place, just doing this drill. They're not saying anything, so they really can't do anything. This is who you are. That's just who you are. Oh, and look what magically appeared. That's just going to help get their mind right, rather than try to just right off the bat. Anyway, guys, so remember, we're just working on our train retreat. I'm just taking this as another location. And he goes back through the little thing, too. And I do want to give the impression, I know I kind of go, I do want to give the impression that I'm trying to, again, I'm assisting. I'm assisting. I'm going to try to throw it in there. And I'm trying to, again, make it seem like I'm in a hurry. He's pretty good, though. He's headed right back that way. Anyway, guys, we got to run, but we'll be right back.